Hey guys, Darshan here from Eat So What. I'm sure all of you must be craving to have some kind of chaat food or any kind of street food, right? I have an answer for all your cravings today, where we are going to prepare some delicious and mouth-watering chaat recipe called as the Aloo Chaat or potato chaat. So it is made with easily available ingredients. Please find the chaat chutney recipes in the description box below. Wait. Before moving on, I have three important things to say. Maintain social distancing. Please wear your mask while moving out. Stay home and stay safe, guys.
I've been taking it slow. Yeah, I know God knows I need it. I walk the tightest rope, but this solid ground said leave it. And I never thought I would get here on the other side. In the early morning, it's an age-old story of something new, born again. Like a gentle whisper, I remember winter and how roses always bloom again. They bloom again. I've been saying no, 'cause I know my soul, it needs it. Too many years on the go, and now I'm letting myself heal it. And I never thought I would get here on the greener side. In the early morning, it's an age-old story of something new, born again. Like a gentle whisper, I remember winter and how roses always bloom again. They bloom again. They bloom again. They bloom again. And I never thought I would get here on the better side. In the early morning, it's an age-old story